My name is Andrew, and this is Rogue Wrenching. I'm kidding, we're doing a quick tutorial tonight. We don't have time for that whole intro, but here's what you need to know. The question is, how do you clean your rubber-handled or soft-gripped tools such as the Snap-on Instinct, as I have here? And I'm gonna show you one quick, easy trick to do that is gonna save you a bunch of time and a bunch of hassle and make your tools look fabulous. So, here we go. All you gotta do is grab your dirty tool with one hand, grab yourself a shop rag with the other, and you're just gonna take and rub it kind of like this until it comes clean. So here's what one of those tools that's been cleaned with this method looks like next to a dirty tool, next to a tool that's been cleaned with brake clean. Notice how the one on the right has that kind of white fog to it. That's the brake clean that's dried off there. That's not really the kind of clean that you want. So take your rag, back and forth over it. That's it, you're done.